Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:11 p.m. February 7th, 2022, Monday. Welcome back to another great week. Hope you're doing well. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Okay, so today we saw the markets kind of do a up, and then down move. Really choppy again. That led me to not taking certain styles of trades and focusing on the trades that have been working for me over the last couple of weeks, which is kind of like a scalping technique. And I just want to go over a couple things using the trade manager and the trade manager analysis. I have them down here. Here's my day. As you can see, I was up 107 on the day, which is okay. I'm not going to complain. But let's just go through it real quick. I know the numbers show certain things. Apple, Tesla, AMD, NVIDIA, Peloton, Disney, Tilray, AMC, and OAN were quick multiple trade. Not all of them. I should say Apple and Tesla were multiple. AMD was multiple. DWAC, I don't even know why I traded it. These are the stocks that have been killing me in the past. DWAC, CFEI. I missed it and I got FOMO on it, and I tried getting in CFEI. And it went like 3 points. It was unfortunate, but that's just the way it goes sometimes. And DWAC traded like midday, and it was just, I don't know. I don't even want to talk about it. But what I do want to talk about is, where is it? Orders. Okay, so here are all my orders today, and as you can see, I wasn't trading big size at all. AMC at the beginning of the day, really quick in. Only took like a couple cents on it. What I say on that particular AMC, like $2. I was looking for a bigger move, but it didn't go, so I got out. That was the key here. Disney, same thing. 300 shares, got out with a few cents here. It pulled back on me, so I just got out with a few bucks. Tilray was kind of a news event, but just didn't go anywhere, so I got with like a penny. So I got with $5. So everything is like really small because nothing's really going. So this trading strategy I'm doing right now, it's not really a strategy. It's something I've been doing in the past too, but it's not really good if you have commissions. I don't have commissions. I'm able to take as many trades as I want without it costing me on the commission side. Now, there's definitely some fees on the back end, but not enough to take away what I've gained. It doesn't hurt me as much as like $1.99 or $3.99 commission per trade. There's no way I could do this on a $5 trade and I have 4 entries or something like that. 1 entry and 3 exits. I just get killed for commissions. I'm trading so small, but as you can see, every trade on Apple today, as I scroll through, was a quick scalp, taking a few cents here, a few cents there, and it's only 100 shares. I don't think I took 200 shares on Apple today. Once. AMD, I think maybe once I took 200 shares. NVIDIA was 100 shares. Peloton was 100 shares. And Microsoft was 100 shares. That went against me. It didn't really work out in my favor, so I got out with a small loss, which is fine. And then Tesla was only 25 shares. I don't think I took 50 shares on Tesla, which would have been a monster trade when I got in it. And that leads me to the trade manager analysis. As you can see, I had a total net profit 107. Long, I was 67. And short, I was 39. But my profit factor was better on the short trades because at the end of the day, the market started moving our direction. So I like going long. I feel like if you catch a good reversal spot, you can get a nice push down, which is kind of nice. And shorting is nice in that case. So I think I added up to like 25 trades today. It says 81, but that includes entries and exits. And my winners were 70 versus 11 all together. And as you can see, I was better on the short side with 18 and 3 and 52 and 8. This is like that DWAC, the CFEI, and the Microsoft. Not a bad profit factor, 1.5 average. I'll take that. What am I supposed to do? This is how I'm trading right now because I did try taking, so ON was the only stock today. I'm going to lower this. That set up nicely. And I didn't take it through the 62 level here, was it? I would have lost on this one probably. But it was this move up to 62.98. And then the look to the 63 level, which was right here. It was a nice $1 trade. No pain. Maybe 1 cent pullback on you, but you wouldn't even feel it. Went to 64.18 on this candle. or 64.22. Nice trade in the normal trading methods that I've always been doing the last 2 years, which was kind of like an inflection point. There's a big seller or whatever, and it was setting up real nice. But with this choppy market that we're seeing on the SPY, I'm really focused on the Qs, so I'll really look at the Qs. It's just like it's up, down. Are we going lower here? We test new lows and then bounce back up. So I'm looking at this now. I'm taking this into consideration. This is where I got in that Tesla trade where we pulled back. I'm like, this doesn't look like it's going to continue south. And these are 5-minute candles. And it turned around, reversed, and gave Tesla a nice bounce, which I got a nice piece of the trade. Until we see those steady ups and steady downs, I'm going to trade the reversals based on my 1-minute Q method I mentioned in the video a few days ago. It's been working really well. There's definitely some times where I'm like, oh, I got to press the button because this is going to reverse. But I have to stay, that's the key. You have to stay committed to your entries and exits. If it's not working, you're not seeing it move, like it goes 4 cents in your direction and turns around and goes 2 cents against you and then 4 cents in your direction and kind of just meanders at your entry. I usually just get out with a small win or small loss because it's just not worth it. Usually when these things reverse, if the Qs continue against you, then it can really hurt. But with a stock like Apple, there's certain cases where you do get that huge, rebound. It's like a rubber band bounce or a rubber band reversal. Those can be really nice if you catch them at the right time. But usually they tend to meander a little bit, and you got to make your decision. And if you only get a few cents off, you only get a few cents off. But listen, I was trading 100 shares. Let's go back to my, if I can bring it up. I don't know if here it is. If you look at my Apple trades, let me just do it by symbol. Let's see if I can do the symbol filter here. All my trades, here's this one was 200. But everything else was 100, and then my exits were like 50 and 25. So I would exit at 50 cents or 50 shares, and then I would exit 25, 25, exit 50, 25, 25, exit 50. And the last trade of the day, 57 short. With the 50, I caught 7 cents for the 50 shares, and then 51 cents on 25 shares. I'm like, okay, my break even stop. And then I'm going to let it run, and it went to 31. Now, I ended up going below 171 at the end of the day. I'd actually go 170, like 90 or something like that. I let it go. I didn't, I took my money and walked away. But again, minimal shares, minimal moves, and I'm still able to make, $71.48 on the stock. And then I trade something like DWAC, like a moron, and, I get whacked. Yes, if it worked, I probably could have gotten $100 in a matter of a minute. But when it goes against you, you lose $100 in a matter of a minute. So that's just what I'm trying to say. So that pretty much sums up my day. Pretty good Monday for what I was hoping for a little bit more. If I got rid of this DWAC and the CFEI, like the Microsoft is, I just got to not look at these things. That's $150. That's $250 on the day had I not taken those things. So something to consider. I was able to fight back and get back. I was never red on the day, but I was definitely, up and then down and then back up. I'm closing at highs today, so that's good. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. It's 4:20 on February 7th. You guys have a good night, and I'll talk to you soon.